The hydrapwk 2025.03 apes release is a significant update to the Debian-based open-source Linux distribution, which is designed as a security auditing toolkit with a focus on specialized industrial areas like avionic, automotive, and marine systems. It continues to utilize a real-time RT kernel hydrapwk RT1 anti-hacker to ensure low latency for hardware hacking, and includes a curated set of penetration testing tools for tasks such as exploitation, cracking, and forensics, adhering to a one-task, one-tool philosophy to avoid bloatware. Key new features in this version include the adoption of a revised hydrapwk logo 2, the introduction of the Archime and Elasticsearch tools, and the implementation of new Pulkit rules. The major difference in the hydrapwk 2025.03 release is a strategic shift to also incorporate defensive capabilities, moving the distribution from being solely a pentesting toolkit to a broader security auditing toolkit, with new desktop menu categories based on the NIST CSF2 framework. The inclusion of Archime, a scalable packet capture tool, and Elasticsearch, a distributed search and analytics engine that serves as Archime's backend, directly supports this new defensive focus, allowing for better network traffic analysis and security monitoring. Additionally, the desktop received changes, including the new hydrapwk Purplizer theme, and a dedicated tools documentation page was created to improve user support and community contribution.